കേരള PSC നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റ് KER ജാനുവരി 2019 വർഷത്തെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിലെ 76 മുതൽ 100 വരെയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഈ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓരോ ചോദ്യത്തിനും 10 സെക്കൻഡ് സമയം. 10 സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയുത്തരം സ്ക്രീനിൽ തെളിയുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടി എന്നത് സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്തുക. 1 മുതൽ 75 വരെയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളുടെ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. വീഡിയോ കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തണമെന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നമുക്ക് നേരെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. No post of swing teacher is admissible in any boys' high school on the reason that Option A. Boys are not entitled to learn swing in school level. Option B. Lack of 200 or more girl students. Option C. The post of swing teacher shall not be allowed in a high school. Option D. None of the above reasons. Right answer is option B. Lack of 200 or more girl students. An LP school is eligible to get a full-time post of needlework and a full-time post of music teacher if the girl strength of people is not less than 400, but the posts are not admissible. Option A. The priority will be for physical education teacher. Option B. In the absence of a drawing teacher post. Option C. No post of specialist teacher is admissible for LP school. Option D. Any one of the post of specialist teacher is admissible. Right answer is option C. No post of specialist teacher is admissible for LP school. For the appointments of HSSTs in the absence of HSST junior, vacancies shall be apportioned in the ratio 1:3 between an appointment by transfer and direct appointment by transfer shall from Option A. HSTs, UPSTs, LPSTs on seniority merit in the order priority to HSTs. Option B. Any category of teaching and non-teaching staff. Option C. Other educational agencies also. Option D. None of the above three categories. Right answer is option A. HSTs, UPSTs, LPSTs on seniority merit in the order priority to HSTs. For the appointment of HSST on by transfer from the HST, those who have secured dash are exempted from passing set. Option A. 17 years approved teaching service as HST. Option B. 10 years teaching service. Option C. 5 years continuous approved teaching. Option D. 10 years approved teaching service in HS level. Right answer is option D. 10 years approved teaching service in HS level. Revised pupil ratio for fixing the number of class divisions in standard 6 to 8 is Option A 40:1, Option B 45:1, Option C 35:1, Option D 30:1. Right answer is option C 35:1. No child who has not completed dash years of age as on the first of the year shall not be admitted to any school except pre-primary school. Option A 6th June, Option B 5th July, Option C 5th June, Option D 6th April. Right answer is option C 5th June. All primary schools shall be deemed to be mixed schools. Under special circumstance, dash may exempt the particular institutions from this provision. Option A, Government. Option B, Director of Public Instruction. Option C, Deputy Director of Education. Option D, District Educational Officer. Right answer is option B, Director of Public Instruction. In a complete UP school, only one post of non-teaching staff is to be sanctioned. State the name of the post. Option A, PTCM. Option B, FTM. Option C, Office Attendant. Option D, Clerk. Right answer is option C, Office Attendant. In teacher training institutes, no post of dash is sanctioned. Option A, FTM. Option B, PTCM. Option C, Clerk. Option D, Attender. Right answer is option A, FTM. Manager of an aided school is bound to give employment assistance to one of the dependent of a teacher dying in harness. Government orders relating to the orders for employment assistance in government service apply shall in the matter of dash shall not come under the purview of a dependent. Option A, spouse. Option B, son. Option C, daughter. Option D, brother's son. Right answer is option D, brother's son. Strength of non-teaching staff to be sanctioned in any aided school shall be option A, as decided by the government annually. Option B, as decided by the director. Option C, as decided by the educational officer. Option D, same as prescribed in Rule Chapter 24A. Right answer is option B, as decided by the director. Teacher training course for primary school teachers shall be of dash duration. Option A, 1 year. Option B, 2 years. Option C, 3 years. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, 2 years. Minimum age prescribed for admission to teachers training institutes for primary school teachers shall be option A, 17 years as on the 1st January of the year of admission. Option B, 16 years as on the 1st January of the year of admission. Option C, 17 years as on the 1st July of the year of admission. Option D, 15 years as on the 1st January of the year of admission. Right answer is option C, 17 years as on the 1st July of the year of admission. Every trainee for the teacher training diploma course in TTI shall have to secure 85% of attendance of the total number of working days. The district educational officer is competent to condone the deficiency in attendance up to option A, 15%, option B, 10%, option C, 25%, option D, 30%. Right answer is option A, 15%. Headmasters of aided primary schools are eligible to get the scale of pay applicable to the headmasters shall have secured a minimum continuous service as teacher in schools recognized by the government is option A, 16 years, option B, 12 years, option C, 15 years, option D, 10 years. Right answer is option D, 10 years. In aided schools, annual maintenance grant may be given to the option A, educational agency, option B, headmaster, option C, manager, option D, educational officer. Right answer is option D, educational officer. Manager shall submit the application for maintenance grant to the education office on before option A, 1st April, option B, 1st June, option C, 1st November, option D, 1st October. Right answer is option D, 1st October. No aided school teacher exists in service who is governed by the rules in chapter dash of KEAS. Option A, chapter 14A, option B, chapter 14B, option C, chapter 14C, option D, chapter 13. Right answer is option B, chapter 14B. Rules in chapter 14B were applicable to the teachers entered in service prior to option A, 1st June 1959, option B, 1st October 1964, option C, 1st June 1958, option D, 1st July 1961. Right answer is option B, 1st October 1964. When an aided school teacher is transferred to foreign service or on deputation outside Kerala, option A, no PF subscription is to be released. Option B, the PF subscription shall be remitted in lump after returning to the parent service. Option C, the PF subscription shall be remitted in advance. Option D, PF subscription shall be arranged to be credited as if he had not been transferred. Right answer is option D, PF subscription shall be arranged to be credited as if he had not been transferred. Qualification for appointment as HST in aided school is fixed as option A, graduation in any subject with B.Ed. Option B, graduation in the concerned subject and B.Ed in that subject. Option C, graduation in the subject, B.Ed in subject or language. Option D, post-graduation with a minimum of 50% marks. Right answer is option B, graduation in the concerned subject and B.Ed in that subject. Qualification for appointment as HSST on open merit shall be option A, post-graduation in the subject with B.Ed in the subject. Option B, post-graduation with 50% marks in the subject with B.Ed and pass in set. Option C, post-graduation and M.Ed. Option D, degree with 10 years service as HST. Right answer is option B, post-graduation with 50% marks in the subject with B.Ed and pass in set. Dimension of one classroom in UP and high school shall be option A, 6 into 1 into 3 meters. Option B, 6 into 5.5 into 3.7 meters. Option C, 5.5 into 5.5 into 3 meters. Option D, 6 into 6 into 3.7 meters. Right answer is option D, 6 into 6 into 3.7 meters. School year means option A, from the reopening day after summer vacation till March 31st. Option B, from the reopening day till the end of the succeeding summer vacation. Option C, the day of reopening of schools after mid-summer vacation till the last working in the succeeding March. Option D, none of the above three. Right answer is option B, from the reopening day till the end of the succeeding summer vacation. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടന്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോയുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യഥാസമയം ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്.